Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common query: how to delete transaction history on the Barclays app in 2025. If you're managing your finances and want to keep things tidy, this quick guide is for you. Please note that banks like Barclays prioritize security, so actual deletion of transaction history might not be fully possible for compliance reasons. Instead, we'll focus on how to hide or export your history as an alternative. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Barclays app installed on your smartphone. This ensures you have access to all the newest features for 2025. Open the app and log in with your secure credentials. Remember, always use a strong password and two-factor authentication for safety. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Accounts or Transactions tab, usually at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to view your recent activities. Now, to manage your history, head to the Settings menu. You can find this by tapping the profile icon in the top corner or searching for Settings in the app's search bar. In the Settings, scroll down to the Privacy or Data Management section. Here, you might see options like Hide Transactions or Export History. If Hide Transactions is available, select it and choose the specific entries you want to conceal from your main view. This doesn't delete them permanently but keeps your feed cleaner. For exporting, tap that option to download your history as a PDF or CSV file, which you can then delete from your device if needed. One important caveat: Barclays may not allow full deletion due to legal requirements, so always check the app's help section or contact customer support if you're unsure. This step helps maintain transaction records for your protection. And there you have it. That's how you can effectively manage your transaction history on the Barclays app in 2025. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Stay safe and see you next time.